Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi 4 tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to create this YouTube video slider. Great for showcasing your YouTube videos or anybody else's videos, as long as you've got the URL on your website. Of course, we're using the Divi theme from Elegant Themes here. It's absolutely awesome, keeps getting better and better with more and more features. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. So let's get started and make this thing. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. Once the builder is loaded, let's go down to where we want to work, which is right here. And I'll get rid of this particular section. You've got a blue tab for a section, a green tab for a row, and a dark tab for the actual module. So I'm going to just get rid of that section, hit the trash can there, and start again. So I'm going to go up just a little bit, and there's a little blue button that will let me add a new section. Green one will let me add a row, and dark one will let me add a module. I want to add a section, so I'm going to click this one, regular section. Now I just want it to be one column, one row, so I'm going to select that. Now by default, Divi comes with all these modules, and there's enough here to get you going on just about any site. It's also got another 16 modules if you happen to have WooCommerce installed for selling products and doing stuff. But today we're going to do the video slider. So let's go down and find that. The last one on the list there. Okay, and as you can see, it pops one in as default right there. Now obviously we want to add our own, so I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and just grab a URL of a video. Let's go into our video setting right here. This is the first video we're looking at. Hit the little cog. Let's trash there one, little trash can there, left click, and add our own. Now you can add MP4s and upload them to your server if you've got those. I recommend streaming though, it's usually a bit better, but it's entirely up to you. And to do a YouTube video or any other online video, hit the insert from URL. Now I'm going to paste my YouTube video URL in here once I get it. There it is, and I'm going to hit the insert into post button. And that's going to pop up there. Don't worry about that little growly face there. That's normal when you do this. Okay, great. Well, let's add some more. I'm just going to click Save Changes, back to the main module again. Going to add one more. Again, exactly the same thing. I'm going to trash the one that they've got there. Add my own. Let's get another video URL. Insert from URL. I'll just do 4. Now you might notice that down below it's got some thumbnails here, which is great. I like that effect for this particular thing for advertising your YouTube images. Just save that. In a minute I'll show you in the settings, if you'd rather have just the little control buttons like you do on a regular slider, you can do that also. So add one more. I'm going to do one perhaps of a bootstrap this time. Save that one. And let's add one more. Grab a WordPress one this time. Just want to check this third one because the thumbnail is not actually appearing there. Make sure we've got the thing. Okay. Let's trash this and put it in again. That was our bootstrap one, wasn't it? There we go, that's more like it. Okay, save that one, back to our main one. Now we can go over to our design tab. I guess we'll look over the bottom here. Elements. Here's where you decide whether you've got arrows right there. I want to show my arrows. And you can use the thumbnail track, which is what we got going on here, which I like for YouTube videos. I think that's a great idea. Or, like I said, you can just use dot navigation by selecting that there, but I'm going to leave mine on the track there. If you want to have an overlay, you can do. If you want to put an image overlay instead of the actual thumbnail it pulls from YouTube, you can do that right here. Just click that to yes and put in whatever you want for the overlay, but I'm going to leave that off. Background is purely for the background of the module. Don't need to change anything there. Admin label, call it what you want. Video slider will work fine for me. Let's pop over to the design tab. Now the controls. We've got the play icon color. That's not this main one here. This is actually the ones on our little thumbnails here. So if I was to change it to green, obviously it's got no change there, but when I hover over here, it's made the play icons green on the thumbnails down here. So I'll change that back to white. If you want to change the size of the font for that icon, just flip that to yes and you can make it bigger or smaller. Now thumbnail, if you want to have it an overlay color, it's got a sort of dark shade on there at the moment. You can add one right here in the overlay color. And slider controls, that's these here, or if you had the little buttons enabled, that would be those there. Sizing, don't want to change anything. I'm going to leave it all to auto, so it'll stretch to the width of whatever container it's on, whether it's tablet or mobile. Spacing, I'm not going to change anything there. Border, box shadow, filters, transform, don't need to change any of that unless you particularly want to. So when we're happy, let's save our changes and see what we've got. Save the page changes and exit our visual builder. And there it is. There's our little video slider, and you can slide through the various videos by hitting the little link button here. Now let's make sure one's going to play. There we are, and that's another nice thing, it plays it locally on your site as well. So there is how to add a YouTube video slider to your Divi WordPress theme website. Let's shut this guy up, thank you. Okay, nice little feature to have on your site to showcase either your videos, or if you've got the URLs, any videos you want on your site. Really easy to do with the Divi theme. Like I say, if you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.